artwork is joining COP as part of the delegation of the School of the Humanities, and it's entitled Heaven and Hell in the Anthropocene. The Anthropocene is a geological era that has been agreed on that the impact of humans on the planet Earth is clear. We don't know where it started, whether it started with the agricultural revolution or the industrial one or the nuclear bomb, but we know that we are in the Anthropocene. And heaven and hell, because these are two scenarios of eternity that humanity is familiar with. We're either going to heaven or we're going to hell. The logic of the artwork, it's a playful interactive installation. So when you walk into these two big white rooms, at the door, we ask you to fill a form. And in this form, it's a game. And based on your answers, we take you to heaven or to hell. So it's an experiential, interactive artwork, creating awareness about how our micro decisions can impact the future of humanity, how we can all come together to help each other save the planet together. So based on your answers, you know how hard you need to work to help us save the environment. So it's a playful way to tell everybody that we need to get together. This is the job of everybody. It's not just governments, it's not just institutions, it's not just the private sector, but also as individuals, we have a role to play in saving the environment together.